POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company ROAV, which is a company underneath the Anker umbrella. And this is the Dashcam A1 dashboard video recorder, something you put inside your windshield to record traffic in front of you and or when your car is sitting still. And we're going to open this up, we're going to show you what's inside of this, and then you're going to go to the website at POCnetwork.net, where we'll have a full story on this later on. So let's go inside the box here. And the first thing you see when you open the box is you're introduced directly to the camera, at least the video camera itself. And we're just going to pop that out and put that to the side right there. And you have some, let's see, you have Enjoy Your Smart Driving, a little pamphlet, what they call, I believe, a happy card, to see how you like your product. You have some instructions. And inside this opening underneath, you have some parts and pieces. Inside here you have a typical 12-volt adapter to power the camera up with. You have a little wedge, kind of a pry bar for installation purposes. You have a pretty lengthy, which is really nice, USB cable. You have USB Type A to micro USB. And then finally, you have a suction cup to lock it onto the window with. So looks like your only installation, just to make sure, the only installation available to you directly in the box is the suction cup. So do make sure that that's the approach you want to take. If not, maybe there might be some accessories later on. But this is what the camera looks like right here. You have the lens is covered by a little sticker here to protect it during shipping. The top of the unit has a little lock-in, little slider thing for this, so that this can easily lock into place to secure it to your window from. That's your mounting position. You have the USB port on the top too, which is important since that'll help get it easily out of the way so you don't have a cable sticking down and then coming up. You have a power button right there. You have on the side a micro SD card slot for internal storage. I believe this can handle up to 128 gigabytes, pretty sure. I think that was the number. And there's a little reset button too in case you feel like something's going kind of weird. And you also have a release at the bottom here, which could be a speaker as well. If not, maybe some of these vents are for heat. The back of the unit features a screen right here, a pretty decent LCD display. And you have 4 buttons. You have OK, and you have arrows pointing left and right, which is probably next, forward, while you're browsing around the recorded videos. And of course, a manual record button. That's it. This is really simple. And what this offers is 1080p video. So it's going to give you, or it should hopefully give you clear visuals of all the cars in front of you as you're driving, and that's both daytime and nighttime because they are kind of bragging about superior nighttime quality as well. And with 1080p, as long as it is a full 1080p sensor, that should result in some pretty good produced videos coming from this camera, so that way if you need to get specific details like license plates and whatnot, this should be able to get that for you, which is very important since a lot of these things aren't crisp enough. So you go to try to get those license plates and they're all just kind of wonky. They're pixelated and you just can't make out the characters. This also has an app that you can download for both iOS and Android, including the latest iOS, which I believe they just made an update for the firmware for this. And then the app itself connects over Wi-Fi to the camera, so that way you can control the camera from your phone, browse and download all the videos taken directly from your phone using the Wi-Fi connection, so that way you never have to remove the camera from your car. It also comes with a gravity sensor, which is important for when you're standing, or well, at least parked, sitting still in your car or out of your car. You know, if you're not in your car or you're not driving or whatever the situation is and it's parked, it's not moving, and somebody hits it, there's a gravity sensor in here that should trigger the camera, causing it to start recording. So that way if it can pick anything up, especially if the impact happens at the front of the car, it should be able to capture what exactly went wrong. or what happened. Maybe somebody backed up into you, or some kids were, grinding off the front of your car with a skateboard. Who knows? Hopefully not, but if so, this will see it. Unless, of course, the impact is caused from the rear sides or rear of the vehicle, where this isn't going to see that, since obviously it's not 360 degrees. So that's it. This is the Anker. This is, again, the ROAV by Anker, a company by Anker, and this is the Dashcam A1 camera. So go to our website at pocnetwork.net, where we're going to have more about this later. We're going to put together a review once we've actually tested it out and decided what we feel about it. So again, that's pocnetwork.net, and we'll let you know what we think. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.